Well, welcome back, and next we await the welcome return of Georgie Smith, local boy from Basildon. It's a 6-3s light welterweight contest, and he's boxing Peter Nightingale. Been out for a while, Georgie Smith. Has to be said, he's had a bit of a drug problem. He's fought it, he's overcome it, and he's been out since last April. He fought in this very hole. He beat Danny Quacko. And tonight he's boxing Peter Nightingale, who at the age of 28 has really left it a bit late to turn pro. He was a great amateur, very high class, 7 Staffordshire and South Staffs titles. And here he is. Well, there we have him. He's had 2 fights. He's won 1 and drawn 1, so he's unbeaten. He won his amateur titles starting at featherweight, moved up to welterweight, so he's been through the weight ranges. He was obviously a well-schooled fighter. Well, there is Georgie Smith. He's got a unique hairstyle, really. He really is, I suppose, a little cutie, Georgie Smith. The women love him, and you can see why. He really smiles. He always looks very happy and very exciting, very good fighter. Straight up, and he loves it, doesn't he?
Well, here we go, sports fans. We're in the light welterweight division. Firstly, and introducing to you, fighting out of the red corner, he's wearing the candy striped trunks, weighed in at 10 stone and 3 pounds, and brings a 2-fight record, 1 win and 1 loss. He's from Tipton. Would you please welcome Peter Nightingale. And across the ring, fighting out of the blue corner, he's wearing the white and gold trunks, weighed in at 10 stone and 5 pounds, undefeated as a professional, 9 contests, 9 wins, 6 coming by the way of the big KO. He's from Basildon. Would you please welcome Georgie Smith. Timekeeper is Mr. Michael McCann, and referee is Mr. Marcus McDonnell, and this is 6 3-minute rounds.
You break the rules of boxing, but times it. One thing I will say, you obey my instructions at all times, especially when I say break. I mean, you understand this, man? You understand me? Have a good one, lads.
So 6-3s, light welterweight contest.
Seconds out.
So first round, Georgie Smith in the white and gold shorts, and Peter Nightingale in the red and blue.
Nicely 1-2 there, Nicky. Well delivered.
Very correct puncher. is Georgie Smith. Clean hitter. And I think they're both trying to blind each other with their shorts tonight.
Oh, nice combination. Nice 1, 2, 3. Well placed. You'd hardly think it was nearly a year since this guy was in the ring, would you? He seems to be. You think he just fought last month?
He really is a very, very confident young man and a very good prospect. He's a great boxer. As I said, a correct hitter.
Yes, You can just tell by the way he delivers these punches that they hit bang. He throws them in a nice way too, and they're thrown with power and direction.
Good right hand following the left hook.
You can't guess Nicky if to knuckle down now and stay off all the things that he shouldn't be on. Like that, a guy like this could go, you know, could stay up a ladder quite a few rungs. Don't know how far. Oh,
good left hook. Very, very good punch on the counter there. And Nightingale, no doubt about it, very hurt. He's in trouble, and I don't think Smith will let
him. Oh, there he goes.
It's got to be stopped.
Good night. Oh, good night. Good night. That is a hell of a right hand.
That's all of it. And there is the winner.
Nightingale doesn't know where he is.
Is that the first time you commented on this guy, Dave?
Yes, that's my first time.
He?
Yes, he's a very good. Just as I was saying, just before I was rudely interrupted by his knockdowns.
Yes.
That's a cracking right hand. See that one, the first one, Nicky, going back, counterpoints.
Yep.
Oh. If you can get a look at this first, he was sort of going back. Watch, bang! Left hook right on the chin. I'm surprised this guy got up from the first one. Second one here coming right up there. Watch this. One. There it goes. Oh, right on there.
The referee a bit slow to get in here. Should have been straight in there. And Smith, of course, quite rightly hit him again.
Couldn't plant that any more correctly than what he did. That was bullseye, 180 right to the top floor. Bang. Whoops. Good night.
Did well to stay on his feet there.
He did.
Didn't that time.
Beautiful. Two beautiful punches.
So for the MC, John McDonald.
Ladies and gentlemen, 1 minute and 56 seconds of the first round. The referee stopping the contest. Your winner, he's back and still undefeated, Georgie Smith.
Well, he well and truly is back. Well, really is back. It's great to see him back, and he's looking superb, better than ever. That's Georgie Smith.